Dear students, welcome to History Unit number 10, The Political Developments of 20th Century. In this video, let us discuss about the answers for the questions which are given in Unit number 10. After watching this video, click below. You will get the links of previous chapters. Let's begin. Fill in the blanks with suitable answers. The communist government in Russia was founded by Dash. Answer is Lenin. Second one, the First World War ended in Dash. Answer is 1918. Third one, the fascist dictator was Dash. Answer is Mussolini. Fourth one, the Second World War started in Dash. Answer is 1939. Fifth one, Japan attacked Dash, which was the naval base of USA. Answer is Pearl Harbor. Second main, discuss in groups and answer the following questions. First question, explain the role of Lenin in Russian Revolution. Lenin guided the farmers and workers on the path of revolution. By this time, Lenin was declared as traitor. Lenin returned to Russia and called for peace, food, and land. This was supported by the workers and farmers across Russia. Lenin joined the Revolutionary Party and declared Russia as a Socialist Republic Union. Lenin became the president of the government. These are all the role of Lenin in Russian Revolution. Let's move to second question. Discuss the immediate cause for the First World War. The assassination of Archduke Francis Ferdinand, the Prince of Austria, was the immediate cause of First World War. Third question, how did Nazism destroy Germany? Explain. The Nazism advocated that Germans are the superior race of the world and they are the only fit to rule the world. Jews are the reasons for all the problems of Germans. Apart from Jews, communists, socialists, and Catholics are also the reason for the problems of Germany. He declared they are unfit to live. All these were implemented inhumanly. A minister named Goebbels was appointed to spread the theory of Nazism. A cruel army named Brown Shirts was formed for this purpose. In this way, Nazism of Hitler destroyed Germany. Question number 4. What were the reasons for the Second World War? The reasons for the Second World War were Great Economic Depression, The nationalism grew more in Germany and other European countries due to loss of finance suffered in First World War. The big industrialists funded more money to nourish ultranationalism. By utilizing this money, hate and egoistic movements started emerging. Hitler emerged as the dictator in Germany and Mussolini emerged as the dictator in Italy. In East Asia, Japan attacked China to expand its territory. These were all the reasons for the Second World War. Question number 5. What is Cold War? The mistrust, competition, and fear that emerged between the two blocks of the world after the end of Second World War is called as the Cold War. Question number 6. What were the effects of Chinese Revolution? The effects of Chinese Revolution were: community farming was introduced, all were provided with free health, education, and other facilities, importance was given to science and technology, Leaf Forward program was implemented, the private property was converted into public property, the Cultural Revolution. These were all the effects of Chinese Revolution. Seventh and the last question, how did USA come out of its great economic depression? During the Second World War, Japan attacked Pearl Harbor, the military base of USA. This made USA to enter the war in favor of Allied forces. The President Roosevelt made people to be ready for war. He encouraged women to work in public sphere. USA won the war. It also helped the establishment of UNO during the war and later provided its support to it. In this way, USA came out of its great economic depression.